And you might wonder how radiators are assembled. Well, this guy over here will show us. So, this is Rod. Hello, Rod. So there's Rod tightening up the joints. The radiators themselves have female thread there, left-hand thread, right-hand thread. These are nipples, and they have a left-hand thread and a right-hand thread on them to match up with the left-hand thread and right-hand thread female version on these. Here we go. Just get it to nip up with by hand, just centering the gasket there so it's properly positioned. Now the final tighten. So as an extra safeguard, we put this sealant on, that gooey black stuff. And that's what he was doing right then. And there he goes again, he's putting the gaskets on. And a final nip up again. Job done.